We are discussing question number 9 from exercise number 2.2. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. Age ratio is given between two persons, Rahul and Harun. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? We don't know their present ages, but present ages ratio is given. So when ratio terms are given, by using ratio terms we can find out the present ages in terms of x. So in the solution given, the ratio of present ages of Rahul and Harun is 5:7. If 5:7 is the ratio, first one will be 5x, second one will be 7x. So 5x is Rahul's present age, 7x is Harun's present age. Let present age of Rahul is equal to, if it is 5 is related to Rahul, so in terms of ratio 5:7. So in terms of x, that is 5x is Rahul. Second one is related to, second number is 7 is related to Harun, so present age of Harun will be 7x. Here present ages ratio is given. By using ratio terms we can find out the present age of Rahul as well as Harun in terms of x. Now coming to the question, 4 years later means 4 years after. Later means after 4 years. Sum of their ages, by adding those two ages you will get 56. This is the information given in the question. Let us see, 4 years later their age will be what? Now at present their age is 5x and 7x. 4 years later, heading is 4 years later, means after 4 years. For example, if a person age is 10 years, after 4 years his age will be plus 4, that means 14 years. If a person age is 20 years, after 4 years it will be 20 plus 4, that is 24. That means present age plus 4. After 4 years means present age plus 4. Same way 4 years later, present age of Rahul is 5x, means Rahul age 4 years later will be present age plus 4. Present age is 5x plus 4. In the same way Harun age is 7x plus 4. Since it is given as 4 years later, means 4 years after, means present ages plus 4. Now 4 years later we got those two persons age. Now after getting the ages of those two persons after 4 years, what we can do? Sum of their ages will be 56 years. So after 4 years their age sum is 56 years. Also given that 4 years later sum of their ages equal to 56 years. So after 4 years, first person age is 5x plus 4, second person age is 7x plus 4. Sum means addition. So first person age plus second person age plus second person age is 56. There are two x terms, that is 5x and 7x. 5x plus 7x is 12x. Two numbers are there, 4 plus 4, that is 8. 12x plus 8 equal to 56. If plus 8 is transposed to RHS, it will become as minus 8. 56 minus 8, that is 48. So 12x is nothing but 12 into x. When 12 is transposed to RHS, it will divide 48. So 48 divided by 12. 12 one time, 12 4 times is 48. 4 by 1 is nothing but 4. So x equal to 4. But in the question they are asking us to find out the present ages of those two persons, Rahul as well as Harun. Present ages in terms of x, 5x regarding Rahul and 7x is Harun's present age. Same way, now if x value is known, then easily we will get the present age of Rahul as well as Harun. Present age of Rahul, just now we wrote here 5x, Harun is 7x, that only we are applying here. Present age of Rahul is 5x, 5 into x value is 4, 5 into 4 is 20, 20 years is the present age of Rahul. present age of Harun will be 7x, means 7 into x value is 4, 7 into 4, that is 28 years. So this will by these lines we can end up our solution. But if you wanted to check whether your answer is correct or not, checking process is also very easy. Present ages ratio is given 5:7. Present ages are 20 and 28. Their ages ratio 20:28. 4 5 times 20, 4 7 times 28. With 4 if you divide, so the ratio is 5:7. One condition satisfied. Now 4 years later, their addition of their ages is 56. 4 years later, after 4 years, first person age is present 20, means after 4 years is 24. Second person age is 28. After 4 years it will be 32. So if you are adding those two ages after 4 years, 4 plus 2 6, 2 plus 3 5. So addition of those two persons age after 4 years, you are getting 56 only. As per the question also 56 only. So your answer is correct.